Another theatre of conflict, tensions mounting in the Mediterranean Sea. Turkey and Greece are just another provocation away from engaging in an all-out armed conflict. The two countries have deployed warships. France has sent its fighter jets. The European Union is on high alert, with foreign ministers holding a high-level meeting tomorrow. What exactly is happening in this region? Our next report has the answer.
There is a political tsunami in the Mediterranean. A fight between two countries is generating political high waves. Which are these countries? Greece and Turkey. They are united by NATO and separated by the Mediterranean. So what are they fighting over? Hydrocarbon resources. Hydrocarbons are principal constituents of petroleum and natural gas. They are also used in the production of plastic, fibers, rubbers, solvents, explosives and industrial chemicals. Now both Turkey and Greece claim hydrocarbon resources in the gas-rich Eastern Mediterranean. There is Cyprus too, but we will tell you about it some other day. So Greece and Turkey have conflicting views on how far their continental shelves extend. Last week, Greece and Egypt signed an agreement to set up an exclusive economic zone in the disputed waters. Turkey called the agreement null and void. Soon, Turkey dispatched its seismic survey vessel Oruç Reis. It was accompanied by naval warships. The scenes look straight out of a war movie. The Oruç Reis is exploring an area close to the Greek island of Castel Orizo. Greece has responded by deploying warships. On the 12th of August, Greek Prime Minister Kyriakos Mitsotakis dialed French President Emmanuel Macron. France sent a warship and 2 Rafale jets to the Eastern Mediterranean. Greece also called for an emergency EU meeting. It will take place on Friday. What does Turkey have to say?
The path to a solution in the Eastern Mediterranean is via dialogue and negotiation. We are not chasing any unnecessary adventures or seeking tensions.
Sure, no one seeks tension. But as warships and fighter jets crowd the Mediterranean, we cannot help but ask, is this an armed conflict in the making? Bureau Report, WION, World is One.